cool. So I want to talk a little bit about the Wirecast gear to get started. That's the puppy you see over here, this big box, and I jumped ahead of Oliver, so I'm going to go through the... All right, here we go. This big box right here that you can see in the Wirecast gear is a dedicated computer for running Wirecast. There's 3 different flavors, and I'm going to go through them now. Now we'll bring that up full screen, Ollie. We got the Gear 310 for $59.95. That's 4 HDMI inputs. Then we can step up over to the 320, which is for SDI inputs. And then we have the big Kahuna, which is the 420, which gives you 5 SDI capture and 1 SDI output. And that's really cool. It also has a dedicated NVIDIA Quadra GPU. So that's the one that if you've got it in the budget, I recommend people step up to, because you can really use that workstation for very high level video editing with like Adobe Premiere or any other GPU, aware software. I love the dedicated Quadro in it. I love that it's got, the SDIs, and you can configure for inputs and outputs how you need it. But I want to go into something here, and we did a great show when the Wirecast gear, this is the Gen 2 stuff came out. One of the things that's always blown me away about this product is a lot of companies design a white box solution, dedicated solution, trying to make it as low cost as possible, finding really the least expensive components that'll get the job done. The folks at Telestream and Wirecast went the complete opposite direction. They said, we want to build a system using the best possible components while still maintaining price points. Now, they kept the big system under 10 grand. They couldn't keep the base system at 5 grand, but for what you're getting in that box, it's real incredible. So rather than saying what I said last time, let's roll the video and I'll talk to you about, and I opened up the lid so it's really cool, what makes the components inside these new Wirecast gears so strong, so superior. And I want people to see just how rugged this design really is, what you've got here. First of all, you've got 3 fans blowing from front to back. And what I love about this design is these fans are big fans. They're not little fans going at 1,000,000 RPM and whirring. They're nice big fans blowing slowly across the product. We've got a Xeon processor under this in here. We've got, with this one's the 420, we've got discrete NVIDIA graphics. We've got memory. We've got NVMe solid state SSDs in here. This is what I'm going to call server workstation level hardware. We brought this screen up here again because I really want to show that we've got the balanced audio in here. We've got the extra guts that are needed to do this at that next level. So very excited about